So recently there's been a ton of people talking about YouTube Shorts, but no one's been talking about how you can actually make money using YouTube Shorts. Well guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you a method that can make you money using YouTube Shorts, even if you don't have a channel and you don't have content. I'm gonna show you how to make money using this brand new platform without even creating your own videos. Now, if you've never heard of YouTube Shorts, it's basically YouTube's version of TikTok or Instagram Reels. If you've ever been on those platforms, it's basically short form video content, 15-second videos up to 60 seconds. And it's a different type of content that is blowing up right now, especially on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube wants to get in the game. Now guys, I'm gonna show you a method that's gonna make you money with YouTube Shorts, and I'm gonna prove to you how you can start making money as soon as this week. Now, why YouTube Shorts? Well guys, they're trying to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels, so they're gonna be promoting their early adopters. I mean, look at my wife's account here. She went from 1,000 subscribers to 20,000 subscribers using YouTube Shorts, and here's one of her videos that has over 15 million views. But I'm not gonna show you how to create YouTube Shorts yourself. I'm gonna show you how to use other people's content to create YouTube Shorts, but more importantly, make money without ever creating a YouTube Short or anything like that. And more importantly, I'm gonna show you how to generate income without the YouTube ad revenue. I'm gonna show you another method to start making money as soon as this week. Now guys, before we get into step one, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to start a full-time passive income business. Guys, I was able to go from an electrical engineer to a full-time YouTuber and online marketer in just 9 months of starting my online business. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so step number one to making money on YouTube without ever making any YouTube videos is to find a video that's gonna go mega viral. Now, we can do a niche that has tons of views, right? Like funny dog videos, or if I go to cute cat, you can see these videos right here, you know, 58 million views here, 41 million views, 30 million views, guys. These videos have a ton of views, so you're almost guaranteed to go viral. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be taking this video and we're gonna be using it for a YouTube short. That's how we're gonna make money using YouTube Shorts without ever creating our own videos. Now, you can use the dog niche or the cat niche. I'm actually gonna use the motivational niche just because this is kind of up my alley, right? So this is something that I'm passionate about. I love motivating people. So I'm gonna use a video in the motivational niche. Now, obviously you can see 74 million views here, 59 million views. So I'm gonna use one of these videos, and don't worry guys, we're not gonna take the exact same videos and re-upload it. I'm gonna show you how to take a video and take clips from it and then use that as a YouTube short. Now, let's just pick a video here. Let's just pick this dream video, and then we're gonna take this. Now, what we wanna do here is we wanna right click here, copy link address, okay? So it's gonna give you the link to the YouTube video, or if you want, you can click into the actual video itself, and you can go ahead and hit share and copy the link, okay? Either way, it's gonna get you the link to the actual YouTube video. Now this leads me to step number two, which is download that video to our computer. Now I use this website here called yt1s.com. There's a ton of other options out there, guys. All we gotta do is download the video to our computer. So all I'm gonna do here is copy the link here, and we're gonna convert this. It's gonna go ahead and convert it. You can go ahead and download this to your computer. I'm gonna go ahead and let that download. As you can see, we just download it here, and then once it downloads, guys, we're gonna go ahead and use this for YouTube Shorts. So I'll be back once it downloads. Now, step number three is we're gonna go to canva.com and we're gonna actually create our YouTube Short. So inside of Canva, guys, we can go ahead and click on video and then click on mobile video, because with a YouTube short, it is a vertical type video instead of a regular YouTube video where it's a landscape version. So we have to go ahead and create this mobile version of this video. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag in the video we just downloaded. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, I just dragged in the video here. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna actually expand this out just so it's a lot bigger here. I'm gonna actually leave spaces on the top so we have some sort of call to action, which I'll show you in just a minute. Now I'm gonna expand this here just like that, so we have enough space. Now what we want to do is center it, guys. Now again, a YouTube short does have to be under 60 seconds, so we can clip it either at 59 seconds or we can have multiple clips, right? Maybe 40-second clips or 30-second clips. Basically, you can make, I mean, literally like 6 different types of videos here. You can see it's a 6-minute video. We can make 6 1-minute videos or 12 30-second videos, right? However you want to do that. Now, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and clip this. Let me pause this here. I can go and clip this here, guys. You can see I can drag this. So I'm gonna do, let's just say 30 seconds. We'll do 30 seconds right here and hit done. Now what I want to do is I want to have a call to action right now. I'm going to go ahead and put this at the top. Let me add that real quick and let me show you how I would do this. Okay guys, so I'm going to add some text here. If you go to the left, you can see that there are a ton of text. Now I'm just going to pick one here. Let's just go with this pool party one. I'm going to change the color. Let's just change it to something we can see a little bit better. There we go. Let's go with that here. And what I want to do here, guys, is I want to put link, and I'm going to make this a little smaller here. Link in description. All right, let's make that a lot smaller. All right, here we go. So you got to mess with this, guys, a little bit so it fits. There we go, link in description. So what we're going to do here is we're trying to motivate people, right? So we're going to have a call to action to click the link in the description. Now I'll show you how we're going to make money with this in just a second. We'll come back to here, okay? But I'm just going to put this inside of here, guys, because basically what we're doing is we want these videos to go mega viral, right? It's a YouTube short. As I mentioned, these videos are going to be very easy to go viral right now because not a lot of people are using this. Okay, now what I like to do here is we want to add some arrows here, have some sort of call to action. So if I go to elements, you can go to arrow or just type in arrow here, and you can type in, or you can use one of these red arrows, rotate it. You can put a lot of stuff in here, guys, but as you can see, I'm just going to add that. There we go. Copy that. All right, now you can add a lot more to it, guys, but I'm just gonna kind of do that for now. And this is gonna be like the first video, right? We can have a lot more videos in here. We can go ahead and do one for the first 30 seconds, then the next 60 seconds, all that good stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and download this. I'll show you how to upload it, but more importantly, I'll show you how to actually make money using YouTube Shorts. Alrighty guys, to upload a YouTube short, it's very simple. It's just like a regular YouTube video. Now again, if you don't have a YouTube channel, you can go ahead and create a YouTube channel, guys. And if you've never done that, I do have a complete video on how to create a YouTube channel from start to finish. I'll leave a link to that in here. But guys, if you do have a YouTube channel, just go to your YouTube channel, hit create, upload video. And this is going to be the same process as if you're uploading a regular YouTube video. Now go ahead and select file here, and here's the video that we went ahead and downloaded from Canva. Okay, alright guys, here's the video here. This is the YouTube short that we're going to upload here. Very, very simple video.
There are moments when you're going to doubt yourself and say, God, why is it?
Awesome, so we have that video, guys, and then it's uploading as we speak. We want to do some sort of SEO element to it, right? We want it to get searched. So maybe how to stay motivated, okay? Something like that, right? We want a motivational video. I'll put something like best motivational video. Now, I'm not too worried about the YouTube SEO here because this is gonna go viral, right? Unlike like a regular YouTube video where you have to really optimize the description, title. This is a little bit more viral, just like TikTok or Instagram Reels. You post a video and you just get a ton of views, right? That's the case with this, right? They're trying to compete with that TikTok and Instagram Reels. So I'm not gonna put too much time in the title like I usually do with my regular YouTube videos. Now, really important here, you do have to put a hashtag shorts here. That way YouTube knows it's a short. Now I'm gonna go ahead and copy that. Just put that in the first line of the description. Now, how are we gonna actually make money with this, right? Now, we don't have to upload a thumbnail, anything like that, okay? Because they're gonna actually pick a thumbnail for you, and TikTok short or YouTube shorts don't work like regular YouTube where it has a thumbnail, okay? Now let me show you how to actually make money with this process. Now the next thing we're gonna do is go to a website called clickbank.com. Now if you've never heard of ClickBank, it's basically a network where you can find digital products to sell as an affiliate, right? So you don't have to create any of these products. You can literally just create an account and send people from your YouTube shorts to one of these links and make money. This is the easiest way to make money online. This is how I was able to go from 0 to 6 figures and quit my 9-to-5 job as an engineer. Now, if you've never created an account, just go ahead and go to ClickBank, create your account. But once you do that, guys, it's going to take you to the actual marketplace, which is right here. Okay, so if you haven't been here yet, just go to the marketplace here at the top. Now what we're going to do is we're going to find a digital product that makes sense with this actual type of video, right? So obviously we created this video about motivation, so the type of people are probably looking to improve their life, right? Or maybe make more money online, whatever that niche is, right? So if you're doing like a dog, funny dog video, maybe you have a product that is related to dogs, right? Or something like that. So what I'm gonna do is find a product related to, the type of video I'm creating, okay? So I'm gonna go to, let's just say, business and investing here, and possibly do some sort of business product here, okay? Now I'm gonna go for, let's see, life coaching certification, $12, crypto automation, high conversion Forex. So there's a ton of different products on here. I'm just gonna pick a product for now, guys, but there's so many products in here that you can choose and, kind of make money from, okay? So I'm just gonna choose this, I'm gonna go to this life coaching certification here. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm just showing you as an example here, okay? So I'm gonna hit promote here and generate hop link, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is actually take this link. Now when someone clicks on this link, you make money, right? Very, very simple process. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you, if I paste this link inside of here, it's kind of an ugly link, and I'll show you how to shorten that in just a second. But you can see here, this is the product here, okay? Now, again, maybe do some more research on the product. I'm just showing you so I can, show you how to make money using YouTube Shorts, okay? Now this is when someone clicks on this product, you make money, okay? Very, very simple. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna go to bit.ly.com and I'm just gonna shorten this link so it's not that ugly, right? This ugly link, we're gonna go ahead and shorten it. And now we have, it's the exact same link, it's just a little bit prettier, okay? So I'm gonna go back to YouTube and I'm just gonna add my link here, right? And then have some sort of call to action, right? Let's see, do you need a life coach to stay motivated? Check this out, okay? Very simple, right? And obviously the video is about motivation, and so I have a product that resonates with that exact same video, okay? So what I'm gonna do here is just hit next, upload the video, and guys, that's how you upload a YouTube short, and that's how you make money with YouTube Shorts without ever creating any videos. And this is the best way to monetize without YouTube or Google AdSense, because they're not gonna really pay you that much. We wanna focus on making real money, and that's with affiliate marketing in this case here. Now guys, if you enjoyed this video about how to make money using YouTube Shorts without ever showing your face or creating any of your own videos, please like this video, comment down below if you have any questions, guys. And honestly guys, YouTube is the most powerful platform on the planet, and every time a new feature comes out, I'm on it right away because I know the power of YouTube. And if there's a new feature on there, I know they're gonna push the early adopters. So take advantage of this, guys, using YouTube Shorts, even if you have no channel or if you have a channel that is not growing at the moment. If you like this video, guys, please comment down below, subscribe to my channel. If you wanna learn exactly how I built a 6-figure online business from scratch without any money starting out, guys, please click the link in the description below and I'll show you how I bootstrapped my business literally from zero. So we'll see you guys on the next video, and God bless.